You're watching Let's Chat.
Welcome to Let's Chat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. I'm joined by Dr. Katie Fullen from Pediatrics, Dentistry and Orthopedics of Chattanooga. And today we're talking all about options for your children when it comes to their dental treatments. Welcome to the show. Nice to meet you and see you.
Nice
now,
to be here.
I want everyone to get to know you here in Chattanooga because you're new here.
I am.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from West Virginia. I've been in Tennessee for a few years. I made a pit stop in Memphis, but I'm happy to be back on the East Coast.
I love it. I do want to ask you, instead of doing general dentistry, why did you decide to go down that road of pediatrics? Because I think it'd be really tough, no?
I love it. I think it's a lot more fun. I worked with kids my whole life, and so really when it came time to kind of make that decision, two of my main goals with dentistry is prevention and, making sure people have a great experience.
Well, that's something I want to talk to you about is prevention for children. Now, what are you doing for children when they're coming in so young when it comes to prevention for cavities?
Yes. I would say the work starts at home. So, the classic brush and floss is very important.
Yeah.
We offer cleanings for kids too, and so it's important that we see them every 6 months to make sure that their teeth are clean and healthy and everything's going well. We do fluoride treatments, which are important. And we also, when they get their adult teeth, can do things called sealants to prevent cavities.
Oh, really? Well, I do want to ask you, what age would one be bringing in a child to a dentist's office?
That's a great question. I always tell people as soon as your kid gets their first tooth, we'd love to check them out.
As long as they've got teeth.
Yes. Well, even sometimes before that. We check lip and tongue ties and all of that as well.
We talked about that on one of our other segments.
Yes.
And when you say treatment is prevention, of course, should they be using different types of toothpaste?
We always recommend a fluoride toothpaste.
Really?
Yes.
And what age should you start getting them into the habit of having that in their mouth?
Yes. Well, as soon as they have a tooth, it's great to go ahead and brush with that. It is important, though, to just use a little bit. So we normally say under the age of 2, use like a rice size amount, and then from 3 to 6, a pea size amount until they can really brush with like a normal amount of toothpaste.
Okay. What do you, for the parents sitting at home now and knowing that their kids may be a screamer or nervous around new people or don't like new environments, what do you do within your practice to keep those kids calm, especially ones that are super nervous?
Well,
it's bad enough for adults, right?
Yeah, we make it a pretty fun experience, or at least I like to think so. Our staff is really kind and loves to get the kids in and just show them everything. We show them everything before they do it. And we just make sure that we walk them through it. We understand that it's a different experience for kids, especially initially. And so we want to make sure that they feel comfortable, and we kind of ease them into a lot of things. So if they're not feeling it today, we'll kind of do as much as we can, make sure everything is healthy and clean, and then, maybe just make sure they have a great experience and then go a little farther the next time.
And I think that's the important thing of giving them the routine, right? It's just like their first haircut.
Of course,
if you just keep taking them back slowly by slowly, they get used to it and then they fall in love. I love having my teeth cleaned.
Yes,
and
it
quite
can be
often
relaxing.
I fall asleep.
I know. And
do you know what I mean?
That's our goal, is that the dentist is a great place to come, and that if you come often, you won't have to experience other things that aren't maybe as pleasant.
Well, Dr. Katie, thank you so much.
Yes.
It's so nice to have met you, and welcome back to Chattanooga.
Well, thank you.
We
so
really
excited
appreciate it. Well, if you want to find out more information about pediatrics dentistry and orthodontics of Chattanooga, there's all the information up on the screen.